Each SmartDraw template comes with the most commonly used symbols needed to create that specific diagram docked to the left of your drawing area. You can also easily search for additional symbols to find what you need. Simply click on the blue Search Symbols text at the top of the Smart panel, type any keyword and hit Enter, or click here to search. The search results will be grouped by the libraries they were found in. This now creates a results view of your search query in the Symbols tab. This view will contain the results for the latest search string until you click Close Search. You can toggle back to the docked view by clicking Smart Panel and add any combination of the found symbols to the docked view to use later in your diagram. To add only the symbols that matched the search from a specific library, click on the three dots next to the library's name and select Add Result. You can also pin that entire library by selecting Add Library. If you want to add every symbol a query returned as a custom set, click the star icon to the right of the search field. This will group all the found symbols into a single set and dock that to your diagram. To undo the grouping, just click the star icon again. Any result you pin will appear in the list of libraries in the Symbols section of the Smart panel. You can scroll through them or click on these arrows to expand and collapse any library. Click the X to unpin the library from the Smart panel. You can also drag libraries up and down the stack to reorder them. It's that easy to customize and organize your symbol libraries so you always have what you need at your fingertips.